MSI 15.6-inch Full HD portable monitor. Resolution 1920 by 1080 FHD. Refresh rate 60 Hz. Panel IPS. One device for a universal solution. The Pro MP161E2 supports both USB Type-C and Mini HDMI ITM, allowing you to effortlessly connect to any device. Both Type-C ports support DP-AL to power input to power output. 15.6-inch FHD IPS panel, enhance your viewing experience. Portable design helps bring it anywhere you want without strain or pressure with a protection bag. Tripod socket design makes it more flexible to stand by you. An extended stand encourages a more upright screen position, ensuring better ergonomic comfort. Ultra-slim profile with a 1.08 cm, 0.4 inch only thickness, and extremely light, weighing in only at 0.75 kg, 1.65 pounds.